First and foremost, it's essential to align the AI tools with your specific business goals and needs. Are you looking to streamline your data analysis, enhance your software development, or perhaps improve your customer engagement? Identifying your needs will help narrow down your options and guide you towards the right tool. Cost is another crucial factor to consider. While it's true that AI tools can be a significant investment, remember that the most expensive option isn't always the best one. What's important is to find a tool that offers value for your money. It should be efficient, reliable, and capable of delivering the results you need. Ease of use is also a significant factor. An AI tool might be packed with all the bells and whistles, but if it's too complicated, it could end up being more of a burden than a help. Look for a tool with a user-friendly interface, clear instructions, and a manageable learning curve. Integration with existing systems is another essential consideration. The best AI tool should be able to seamlessly integrate with your current business systems. This ensures that the tool will work harmoniously with your existing setup, reducing the chances of conflict or disruptions. Lastly, consider the vendor's support. How responsive are they? Do they offer comprehensive technical support? Remember, even the best AI tools can encounter problems, and when they do, you'll want a vendor who can provide timely and effective assistance. Evaluating AI tools might seem daunting, but once you know what to look for, it becomes a manageable task. With these guidelines, you're well on your way to finding the perfect AI tool for your business.